10 Best Oil Filter for 7.3 Powerstroke 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. PurolatorBOSS Oil Filter. Ford F-Series Protection. Your Ford F-Series works hard and deserves ultimate protection. The PurolatorBOSS Oil Filter delivers it, offering maximum engine protection for up to an incredible 20,000 miles, extending time between changes. Our Smart Fusion Full Synthetic Media delivers over 99% dirt removal power, ensuring only the cleanest oil circulates, mile after grueling mile. The durable PuroSeal gasket prevents messy leaks, while the silicone anti-drainback valve guards against harmful dry starts by maintaining critical oil. A double helix metal center tube and heavy-duty BOSS steel casing withstand extreme pressure and optimize oil flow, ensuring your engine runs flawlessly. Trust PurolatorBOSS for unwavering Ford F-Series performance. Number 9. Super Duty 7.3L Powerstroke Oil Filter 6-Pack. Keep your legendary 7.3L Powerstroke strong with our Super Duty Oil Filter 6-Pack. Engineered for 1994 to 2003 models, replaces FL 1995/B7039. These ensure a perfect, hassle-free fit. Premium Italian 3-layer synthetic fiber filter paper sets these apart. Unlike ordinary filters, their advanced design boasts superior dust holding capacity, trapping 99% of particles 4 microns or larger. This provides unmatched engine protection, preventing wear, keeping oil pristine, and extending its lifespan. With 6 filters, you're stocked for several oil changes, ensuring your diesel icon performs reliably and powerfully for years. Invest in peace of mind and peak performance today. Number 8. Spin-on Oil Filter. You know how vital clean oil is for your engine's longevity, right? Our spin-on oil filter is designed to be your engine's best friend, capturing harmful contaminants before they cause wear and tear. As a product expert, I can tell you this isn't just any filter. It's a precision-engineered component, a true workhorse ensuring your engine runs smoothly, maintains peak performance, and stays protected mile after mile. What makes it even better? We believe superior engine care shouldn't break the bank. You're getting an indispensable tool for engine health, top-tier protection and reliability, all at an unbeatable price. Invest in your engine's future today. Number 7. Racing Spin-On Oil Filter. Push your engine to its limits with our Racing Spin-On Oil Filter, engineered for the extraordinary demands of high-performance driving. Designed with a precise, vehicle-specific fit, it guarantees a seamless integration and optimal protection for your engine. This isn't just any filter. It's a vital component delivering superior filtration, meticulously trapping contaminants even under the most extreme conditions. Experience consistent oil flow and unwavering pressure, thanks to its high-capacity design, preventing critical engine starvation during aggressive maneuvers. Its robust construction ensures exceptional durability and reliability when you need it most. Easy to install, this filter is an essential upgrade for any enthusiast serious about maximizing engine longevity and achieving peak performance. Don't compromise on what powers your passion. Equip your vehicle with the best. Number 6. Motorcraft Oil Filter Explained. Ever wonder which oil filter truly belongs in your vehicle? The Motorcraft FL 2016 is your answer, embodying peak performance and precise fit. Engineered as an OEM equivalent, this vehicle-specific oil filter, part number FL 2016, isn't just a replacement, it's a guarantee. You're getting the identical quality, exact dimensions, and superior filtration capabilities as the filter originally installed at the factory. This means no compromises, just optimal engine protection, preventing wear from harmful contaminants. Choosing the included Motorcraft FL 2016 ensures your engine breathes clean, prolonging its life and maintaining peak efficiency, mile after dependable mile. It's the expert choice for unwavering vehicle health. Number 5. Ford 7.3L Powerstroke Synthetic Oil Filter. As a Ford 7.3L Powerstroke owner, you demand robust performance and unwavering reliability. Our synthetic oil filter is specifically engineered to meet those demands, providing superior, long-lasting protection for your beloved F250, F350, Excursion, or E-Series, 1994 to 2003 models. You know the importance of pristine oil, and this filter goes further. Optimized for synthetic oils, it allows you to confidently extend your oil change intervals, maintaining peak engine health for up to 10,000 miles. With double the filtration capacity of conventional filters, it meticulously traps contaminants, ensuring cleaner oil and extended engine life. Give your Powerstroke the advanced protection it truly deserves, and drive with complete peace of mind. Number 4. WIX 5173 4XP Oil Filter. Looking to give your engine the absolute best? Don't compromise. The WIX 5173 4XP Oil Filter is a genuine game-changer, precisely engineered to offer unparalleled protection and performance for your vehicle. We're talking about peak engine health. You'll feel the robust quality instantly. It weighs a solid 25.5 ounces, a testament to its durable construction. Conveniently packaged, 8.093-inch HX 8.5, LX 4.282W. It arrives ready for a straightforward installation. And here's the kicker. Proudly made right here in the United States, you're getting American-made excellence and reliability you can truly trust. Invest in WIX, your engine will thank you. Number 3. Amazon's top overall pick. Protecting your engine's heart is paramount, and that's precisely why Amazon's top overall pick is engineered for unmatched defense. This isn't just a filter, it's a meticulously designed shield, tirelessly screening out damaging abrasives like carbon, sand, dust, and metal fragments before they can degrade your oil and cause engine wear. The result? Smoother performance, extended engine life, and fewer worries under the hood. What truly sets it apart are the intelligent pressure relief valves. They're your assurance that even in extreme conditions, contaminated oil won't circulate back into your engine. It's about proactive, continuous protection, ensuring only clean oil nourishes vital components. Choose the trusted choice for lasting engine health. Number 2. 7.3 Powerstroke Frantz Bypass Filter Kit. For 7.3 Powerstroke owners who demand peak performance and longevity, the Frantz Bypass Filter Kit is an absolute game-changer. This isn't just a filter, it's a complete oil bypass system engineered to revolutionize your engine's health. By delivering an endless supply of incredibly clean oil, filtering down to an astonishing 2 microns, you're providing your Powerstroke with superior lubrication and cooling, dramatically increasing its life. The best part? This advanced filtration extends drain intervals significantly, saving you substantial money on frequent oil changes. Invest in the Frantz Bypass Filter Kit and experience unparalleled engine protection and impressive cost savings. Keep your 7.3 running stronger, longer, with an endless supply of pristine oil. Number 1. K&N Oil Filter. 20,000-mile Ford Engine Protection 94-03. Give your 94-03 Ford engine the ultimate care it deserves with the K&N 20,000-mile oil filter. Engineered for exceptional high flow rates, it ensures a consistent, optimal oil supply, promoting peak performance and longevity. This versatile filter works seamlessly with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils, providing peace of mind regardless of your oil choice. Our advanced pleated synthetic blend media tirelessly traps harmful contaminants, safeguarding vital engine components from wear. You can trust its robust design. Each filter is rigorously laboratory tested for superior capacity and burst strength. Plus, the innovative wrench-off removal makes your next oil change fast and effortless. Invest in K&N and provide your Ford with unparalleled protection and convenience. So, that sums up my 10 best oil filter for 7.3 Powerstroke. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.